What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to another episode of The Water's Edge. Today we are kayak fishing down at Piney Point. Piney Point is in southern Maryland in St. Mary's County. It is right on the Potomac River. It actually borders both the St. Mary's River and the Potomac River. I put in at the Piney Point landing, which puts you right in a great spot to go fish some grass flats, or you can fish the bridge, which in this case today I had to resort to because I fished early in the morning some grass flats. Just couldn't find any fish, but there was a stack of fish hanging around this bridge. Let's get into it. Well, of course I wasn't recording, but we've got the first fish in the kayak. And it is a chunky striped bass. And he was eager to hit. That is probably about a 19-inch fish right there. Real solid one to start it. Let's get back in there and see if we can get a bigger one. Caught him right on this set of pilings right here. This current is ripping through here. There's another fish. Does not feel that big. Little striper. Pop him off next to the boat. Might be a little stack of fish in there. They're coming right off these pilings. So with this current that's running, they're definitely waiting to ambush bait. Oh, just got hit on bottom. Pulled me down. Let's make a slight adjustment to this right here. Just bite the front end of it off because it's getting shredded. Forgot my super glue at home today. So, little fish are hitting me. I'm definitely gonna have my bait being pulled down a lot. So while I was fishing the bridge, I had an incoming tide, so I was casting up current with my lure and jigging it along the pilings. And basically I was mimicking bait being swept along the current, and any fish that were sitting in between the pilings should ambush it as it gets swept by. And there was definitely some fish hanging around. Yep. Oh, whoa. Whoa. Nice striper. Nice striper. That's a good one right there. That's a good fish. Let me back off the bridge. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hey, easy, buddy, easy, buddy. Chunky one right there. Man, he hit it hard. Nice striper. That one's definitely in the slot, but probably won't keep any stripers today. Let's get him back. Go catch another. That's fun. That's so much fun. We're sitting right on these pilings just waiting to ambush any bait that gets swept by. Like, he hit it pretty quick once I jigged it along that first piling. There he is. Another rockfish, it looks like. Right off those pilings. Yep. Right in the top of the mouth. There we go, another schoolie striper. They're fun. They fight hard for their size. They are feisty and fired up right now. Okay, I'm moving away from the bridge for a minute. We're gonna come up and fish these docks. Sun is getting high, so fish might start moving under the shade, but got a little rock point right here I want to take a few casts on, then we'll work these docks. We got a fish on, but it's got me around a piling. I'm just gonna let him take me. Oh, he's got me around this piling. I think he's still on. What the heck? What the heck? He's still on. I can feel him. Oh, what the heck? There he is. What do we got? Oh, a little red. Cool. That's one of the fish we've been after today. Just haven't been able to locate a bunch. Chunky little redfish. There we go, about a, I don't know, 14 incher. Sitting right up on these docks. They do love their structure. After catching that red, I didn't have any other luck around the docks, so I moved back to the bridge and decided to jig the pilings. I still had a pretty good current, so I figured there would be a few more fish hanging around, and after searching the pilings without any bites, I finally hooked up on a nice fish. There he is. Whoa, good fish. Good fish. Oh, he got off. Dang it. Oh, man, that was a solid fish. Whatever it was. After that one fish got off, I kept jigging the pylons, and then I saw some big fish busting on bait out about 100 yards away from the bridge, so I paddled out to see what it was. Just going ballistic. What the heck are those? Oh. Oh my gosh, they're freaking blowing up. What are those? I still have no idea what those fish were. They were either rockfish or reds or maybe bluefish. I don't know. If you guys have an idea, drop it down in the comments below. Let me know what you think was blowing up on that bait fish out there. I just couldn't get them to bite. So after that little bit of action, I went back to the bridge, tried fishing around it again, but my tide was starting to die and the sun was getting up high. So when that happens and it's the middle of the day, the fish don't really tend to bite, especially in the middle of summer, but I still had a fun day. This is my first time down fishing around this bridge, and I would consider it a success. I caught some fish and had a lot of fun out of my kayak, jigging the bridge. I definitely want to get back down here in the fall, try and target some other species like red drum and speckled trout. So thanks again for joining me on this trip. Make sure to tune in for the next episode of The Water's Edge.